This video covers Learning Objective 1, Part 2, Show how to account for inventory, basic inventory terminology and unit calculations, in Chapter 6, Inventory and Cost of Goods Sold. So let's get started. You will need to know some basic calculations throughout this chapter on inventory, including how to calculate the number of units or cost of inventory available for sale, the units or cost of ending inventory, and the number of units sold or the cost of units sold. The cost of the inventory sold in a period is called cost of goods sold, commonly abbreviated as COGS. So let's start with the available for sale. Say we are selling toy bears. We start with 3 bears in inventory and purchase 2 more bears during the period. How many bears were available for sale? To get the total number of bears that were available for sale, we add the beginning inventory of 3 bears to the bears purchased of 2, so we had a total of 5 bears available for sale in the period. Next up, we will look at ending inventory. Let's say we had 3 bears in beginning inventory and purchased 2 more bears, so we had 5 bears available for sale. If we sold 1 bear, then we have 4 bears left in ending inventory. We can arrange the terms we've used so far into the above basic inventory calculations. Beginning inventory plus purchases equals available for sale minus number of units sold equals ending inventory. This basic set of equations will be used throughout this chapter. The equations above work for both units and costs. If we are talking about costs, cost of goods sold is substituted where we have number of units sold. We can also calculate the number of units sold if we know beginning inventory, purchased, and ending inventory. If we started with 3 bears in inventory and purchased 2 more bears, we had a total of 5 available. If we have 4 bears left in ending inventory, then we know that we sold 1 bear. To recap, here are the basic formulas we will be using throughout this chapter. Beginning inventory plus purchases minus ending inventory will equal the number of units sold, or cost of goods sold. Beginning inventory plus purchases minus number of units sold, or cost of goods sold, will always equal ending inventory. Beginning inventory plus purchases will always equal ending inventory plus cost of goods sold. These are the basic formulas you will need to know for the rest of this chapter. Now we have a few knowledge check questions coming up to test your understanding of this material. After I read the question, pause the video and try to answer it. Once you restart the video, I will be walking through the answer for the question. Let's go. The first question reads, beginning inventory consists of 12 units. 4 units are purchased during the period and 3 units are in ending inventory. How many units were sold? The answer is 13. We get 13 as the number of units sold by taking the beginning inventory of 12 units plus the 4 units purchased minus the 3 units in ending inventory. The second question reads, beginning inventory consists of 10 units. 6 units are purchased during the period and 2 units are in ending inventory. How many units were sold? The answer is 14. We are taking the beginning inventory of 10 units, add the 6 units purchased, and subtract the 2 units that were sold to get the 14 units in ending inventory. That concludes our review of how to account for inventory, basic inventory terminology, and unit calculations. Thanks for watching.